NLN NEX sample questions. Question 1. Which value of x solves 6x plus 4 equals 64 in this skill practice item? Option A, 11. Option B, 60. Option C, 9. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option. Subtract 4 from both sides to get 6x equals 60, then divide by 6 to find x equals 10. The other choices result from stopping after subtraction, adding one too many, or not reversing the operations in the equation. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a learning module item, which word is closest in meaning to notable in a study guide note? Option A, hollow. Option B, cloudy. Option C, trivial. Option D, important. The correct answer is option. Notable means important, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Hollow means empty inside, not importance. Cloudy relates to weather, not importance, and trivial means minor, not important. Question 3. After checking the choices in a structured test item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, transcription. Option B, osmosis. Option C, mitosis. Option D, exocytosis. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Transcription copies DNA information into RNA, mitosis is cell division, and exocytosis moves materials out of a cell. Question 4. If a full practice stem gives one clear clue, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option B, reminders caused more missed visits. Option C, patients cannot benefit from reminders. Option D, reminders can help patients remember appointments. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Appointments no longer need scheduling is not supported by the passage, reminders caused more missed visits is not supported by the passage, and patients cannot benefit from reminders is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, conduction. Option B, radiation. Option C, convection. Option D, evaporation. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Radiation transfers energy by waves, convection moves heat through fluid circulation, and evaporation is liquid changing to gas. Question 6. Given the information in a pre-nursing prep item, which increase is shown from Monday 13 to Wednesday 23 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 23. Option B, 36. Option C, 5. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2313 equals 10. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 7. Suppose a similar verbal practice item appears on test day. Which word is closest in meaning to prevent in a study guide note? Option A, decorate. Option B, measure. Option C, stop. Option D, allow. The correct answer is option. Prevent means stop, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Decorate means adorn, not stop. Measure means find size, not stop. And allow means permit, not stop. Question 8. While working through a timed math practice set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, nephrons. Option B, villi. Option C, bronchi. Option D, alveoli. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Nephrons filter blood in kidneys, villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, and bronchi carry air toward the lungs. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a science practice item, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A study found that students who practiced with timed sets felt more comfortable during the actual exam. Option A. The exam has no time pressure. Option B. Timed practice can build exam familiarity. Option C. Comfort never changes with practice. Option D. Timed sets remove all content gaps. The correct answer is option. The passage connects timed practice with increased comfort. The exam has no time pressure, is not supported by the passage, comfort never changes with practice, is not supported by the passage, and timed sets remove all content gaps, is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this biology review idea on a NEX review. Which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A patient says, "I feel better, so I stopped the medication early," in a health literacy passage. Option A. The patient fully understood the instructions. Option B. Medication should always be stopped early. Option C. Teaching is unrelated to medication use. Option D. The statement shows a need for clearer teaching about completing treatment. The correct answer is option. Stopping early can be unsafe depending on the medication and condition, so teaching is needed. The patient fully understood the instructions, does not follow from the situation, medication should always be stopped early, does not follow from the situation, and teaching is unrelated to medication use, does not follow from the situation. Question 11. One chemistry basics practice problem tests this skill. Which second quantity matches a 2:6 ratio when the first quantity is 8? Option A, 24. Option B, 32. Option C, 8. Option D, 28. The correct answer is option. The first part grew from 2 to 8, so the scale factor is 4. Multiplying the second part, 6 times 4, gives 24. The other values use the total, the first quantity, or an extra scale step instead. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a critical thinking item. Which word is closest in meaning to reluctant in a study guide note? Option A, silent. Option B, hesitant. Option C, eager. Option D, formal. The correct answer is option. Reluctant means hesitant, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Silent means quiet, not hesitant, eager means willing, not hesitant, and formal means official, not hesitant. Question 13. For this comprehension drill nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A, hormone. Option B, antibody. Option C, enzyme. Option D, platelet. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Antibody targets antigens, enzyme speeds chemical reactions, and platelet helps clotting. Question 14. In a short reading skill practice STEM, which inference is best supported by the passage? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A, pictures make written instructions unnecessary. Option B, headings reduce the value of information. Option C, clear formatting helps readers understand health information. Option D, long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage. Headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage, and long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in a vocabulary skill item, which increase is shown from Monday 14 to Wednesday 22 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 36. Option B, 5. Option C, 22. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2214 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 16. Using the facts in a grammar skill question, which weight in pounds is closest to 60 kilograms using 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds? Option A, 132 pounds. Option B, 62.2 pounds. Option C, 27.27 pounds. Option D, 1,320 pounds. The correct answer is option. Multiply kilograms by 2.2, so 60 times 2.2 equals 132 pounds. The other choice is divide instead of multiply, add the conversion factor, or move the decimal one place too far. Question 17. Based on the clue in an algebra skill item, which word is closest in meaning to significant in a study guide note? Option A, damp. Option B, minor. Option C, important. Option D, distant. The correct answer is option. Significant means important, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Damp means wet, not important, minor means not important, and distant means far away, not important. Question 18. Consider this high-yield data interpretation concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, translation. Option B, diffusion. Option C, mitosis. Option D, meiosis. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Translation builds proteins, diffusion moves particles down a gradient, and mitosis produces identical body cells. Question 19. Near the end of a reasoning drill review session, which inference is best supported by the passage, a volunteer program grew after former patients shared personal stories at orientation? Option A, volunteer programs grow without communication. Option B, personal stories can motivate people to participate. Option C, former patients stopped the program. Option D, orientation should never include stories. The correct answer is option. The passage shows participation increased after meaningful stories were shared. Volunteer programs grow without communication is not supported by the passage. Former patients stopped the program is not supported by the passage, and orientation should never include stories is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar timed practice nursing entrance questions, which answer identifies the group that does not receive the experimental treatment? Option A, sample. Option B, conclusion. Option C, experimental group. Option D, control group. The correct answer is option. A control group provides a comparison for the treatment group. Sample is the participants or items studied, conclusion is the final interpretation, and experimental group receives the treatment. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the score report clue, which number is 12% of 40? Option A, 48. Option B, 52. Option C, 4.8. Option D, 28. The correct answer is option. 12% means 12/100, so 40 times 12/100 equals 4.8. The other choices come from adding or subtracting the percent, moving the decimal incorrectly, or dividing in the wrong direction. Question 22. From the information in a study plan item, which word is closest in meaning to vital in a study guide note? Option A, distant. Option B, ordinary. Option C, optional. Option D, essential. The correct answer is option. Vital means essential, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Distant means far away, not essential. Ordinary means common, not essential, and optional means not required, not essential. Question 23. At a testing desk during a review checklist review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, basic. Option B, acidic. Option C, hypotonic. Option D, neutral. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Acidic describes pH below 7, hypotonic describes lower solute concentration, and neutral describes pH 7. Question 24. Inside a common mistake science or skills item, which inference is best supported by the passage, a school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions? Option A, students no longer needed to study. Option B, distractions are always helpful. Option C, quiet rooms increase noise. Option D, reducing distractions can improve study conditions. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. students no longer needed to study, is not supported by the passage, distractions are always helpful, is not supported by the passage, and quiet rooms increase noise, is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a calculator-free STEM, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A conclusion says a new study method caused higher scores, but the groups were not randomly assigned. Option A, higher scores prove every student studied more. Option B, the conclusion may be too strong because another factor could explain the scores. Option C, the conclusion should ignore group differences. Option D, a random assignment is never useful. The correct answer is option. Without random assignment, group differences may affect the result. Higher scores prove every student studied more, does not follow from the situation. The conclusion should ignore group differences, does not follow from the situation, and random assignment is never useful, does not follow from the situation.